Hey everyone, welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to turn on your electric water heater in your house for 2025. Whether you're moving into a new home, dealing with a power outage, or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you up and running with hot water in no time. Let's dive in and make sure you stay safe while getting the job done. First off, safety is always our top priority. Before you touch anything, locate your circuit breaker and turn off the power to the water heater to prevent electrical shocks or fires. Double check that the area is clear of any water leaks or hazards. Once that's sorted, find your electric water heater. It's usually in the basement, garage, or a utility closet. Look for a metal tank with wires and controls. Next, ensure the water supply is connected. Check the valve near the heater and make sure it's fully open so water can flow in. Now, inspect the heater for any reset buttons or switches. Many modern 2025 models have a reset button on the thermostat. If it's tripped, press it gently. With everything prepped, head back to the circuit breaker and turn the power back on. You'll hear a click or hum as the heater starts up. Then, set the thermostat to your preferred temperature, around 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for efficiency and safety. Give it about 20 to 60 minutes to heat up, depending on your unit's size. Finally, test the hot water by running a faucet in your kitchen or bathroom. If it's not heating properly, double-check your steps or call a professional. And there you have it, hot water on demand. This simple process can save you time and money. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more home hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.